What's up, everybody? Back again for another video unboxing of looks like it's a new entry into the 112 scale short course truck market. This is the HB Toys RD1201-1. It is the brushless version. So I'm going to show you some information on the box. As you can see, it's pretty self-explanatory. So it comes in a blue one, comes in a red one. Of course, I spec'd out the one with the brushless system. It says oil-fill shocks. Got some LEDs in the back. Alright, some more information on here. 112 scale, IPX4 waterproof. It's got ESP, so that's nice. That's the remote, older style remote. So we'll open it up, see what it's about. Okay, first off is this big, large box. I will just break this whole thing apart. Yeah, I've never seen this one on HB Toys, but anyway, this is the remote right here. Okay, it feels pretty good. It's, you know, it's not too cheap, but it does have that foam grip. It's got that kind of silvery bronze anodized kind of steering wheel to it for a bit of bling. We have our on-off switch at the top, LED light right next to it, of course, and we got the light switch, which is the red button. And oh, my eyes aren't what they used to be. Okay, looks like we have the ESP knob, which is where my thumb is, right over there. And then we have our steering trim, which is the second knob. And then we have an on-off switch, which is right next to the second knob, right over there. Right there. Okay. Of course, 2.4 gigahertz. It says racer on it, so you don't mix up your remotes. But yeah, it looks like it takes 4 AA's, which go on the bottom. Okay. The goodie bag, we have, of course, USB charger, as per standard fare these days. We have a metal torque wrench, extra body clips, normal stuff. And we have our owner's manual, of course. Basically how to set everything up with the truck, as you can see. Okay, it's pretty standard fare. Parts list, I'm not sure how parts, or in terms of parts, in terms of availability, they would be at this stage as it's the new entry into the market, but I guess we'll see as time goes along. Okay, so let me just get this green guy out of the box. Okay, so they're touting this as a 112 scale. It's 112, 1/14. If there was a 1/13 scale, I'd say it would be this. It's kind of a bit smaller than a 112, but for this kind of size truck, I'd say for this video, I would say it's probably closer to a 1/13 scale. Okay, but still, all the details are there. We got our fire extinguishers in the back. We got our fans, of course, 2 actual tires, which are mounted on the back. I, of course, as you can see, chose the green one. There's a protective coating over top of it. It's like a pearlized kind of whitish finish. It's quite nice, actually. And there's stickers on top of it, so I'm hoping that they were smart enough to remove the plastic on the body. I don't see any rough corners, so I'm thinking they did. We have an LED system at the front with 2 brush guards to protect it, which is a nice touch. Of course, we got our bumper in the back, LED lights up here. Okay, so it's integrated into the body, so it's quite nice. It's a seamless design. In terms of the running gear, thankfully, oil-filled shocks. It's not just says it on the box; it's actually oil-filled, which is nice. Okay, so I'll take the body apart and see what's going on. 112 size standard clips, not the tether type, and I'm sure there's going to be LED strings at the top, so you're going to have to be careful when you do open it up. Okay, let's take it off slowly. Yeah, so you gotta, how are you gonna do this? All right, so of course we have a full cage, as you can see, in terms of the body, so it's very well protected. at least the top of the body. And for the actual buggy slash truck, very basic tub chassis, as you can see. All right, here is we have our looks like it's a proprietary battery. Actually, it's lithium ion. It looks like it's lithium ion batteries, but I'm sure you can definitely put in a LiPo in there. 2S LiPo will start. Looks like it's a generic 2845 size brushless motor. I'm not sure about the kV. I think it's about 3000 or so. 45 amp brush. Yeah, it's got to be a brushless ESC. It looks a lot like a brushed ESC, as you can see. It's got that WL Toys kind of look to it in terms of the ESC, but it is brushless clearly. It doesn't have a 3-wire servo. It's got a smaller plug, so everything's sort of, it's brushless, but it's kind of analog, so I guess it's done at a cheaper price point. But for what I got it for, I mean, it's definitely understandable. There's no adjustability on the front suspension, as you can see. Sorry, I'm showing you the rear suspension, but there's no adjustability on that, and then nothing in terms of adjustability on the front. However, we do have it looks like it's dog bones in the front. Actually, there's CVDs up front, and we have CVDs in the rear. Oh, okay, so you got some money put into that. But yeah, so very interesting entry into the RC market. 112 slash, I would say probably if there was a 1/13 scale, which we all know there's not, but if there is, this would definitely be a 1/13 scale. It's kind of between a 1/12 and a 1/14. But yeah, this is the conclusion of my unboxing video of the HB Toys RD1201-1. The -1, of course, is for the brushless models, and then the other ones, basically, it's just the RD1201, 1202, 1203. That's about it. Any questions about this particular RC? Leave a comment below. I'll answer any questions you guys may have. Okay, have a good day.